Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique. Today, I thought I would just do something a little bit simple. I am finally getting over this cold. I still got a little bit of congestion and stuff, so I'm still trying to get over that, and I just really feel like digging back into this ABH Jackie Aina palette because I feel like I haven't got to use that much. I think I've really literally only used it once, and I thought I would do like a more neutral look today. Nothing is really doing very good on my channel right now, so I'm just trying to figure out like what everybody wants to see. So anyways, we're gonna jump into this, and of course I'm starting off with the ABH eye primer, my favorite. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Credit. I'm going to start by taking an M508. This is my favorite brush now to like kind of outline everything. I know you guys have noticed that I've been for a while now stamping my color on like this. So it already looks like I have a cut crease, and that's just because it just makes it easier. Sometimes I still go in and like cut it a little bit. But I just feel like this method makes it easier. There's not so much to clean up at the end. And then I just like to take my brush and wiggle it back and forth some. I need to make sure I'm in frame. That's like something I'm really bad at. I feel like sometimes I just really want to talk to you guys about like even things like that I watch on TV, like shows that I watch, because I just am curious what kind of shows that you guys watch. And I'm just afraid that like if I talk about those things that one, you guys are gonna like click off because you don't watch the show, or two, I'm gonna end up spoiling something for somebody, and I don't want to do that either. But I don't know, I want to be able to talk to you guys about these things because like those are kind of like the things that I enjoy in my off time, or like, you know, my free time. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Ginger. So like one of my favorite series ever is The Real Housewives of any of them. I've watched like every single episode of every single Real Housewives franchise since the very first episode of The Real Housewives of OC aired. Like, I've been a diehard fan. One of my like dreams in life and goals in life is to get to like be on Watch What Happens Live. Like, I don't care, I'll be the bartender, like whatever. I just want to be on that show. That's like #1 for me. So anyways, recently the Potomac ladies though, like the reunion just started, and I don't know if you guys watched the show or not, but oh my god, this season was really good. Also, like, if you do watch it, I want to know your opinion. Like, do you think that Michael touched the butts? Because I do. Like, they're gonna have to give me some hardcore evidence to believe that, like, he's innocent. And, like, I know it should be, like, innocent until proven guilty, but I feel like this has been, like, an ongoing thing. And I cannot wait to see, like, next week's reunion show to see, like, how he reacts to everything. Because like the teasers for next week, oh my god, they're so good. It's like really got me thinking that he like gets busted, like exposed. So the crease is mostly cut, but I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit because I did get a little bit messy when I was blending out my colors. But you can see it still makes it easy, and then we don't have to like clean up color down here so that like it doesn't mix with the base and get muddy. Next, I'm going to go in with this color called Zam. I am afraid there's going to be some fallout with this shade, and I have already done like my base makeup, so I'm spritzing it with some Fix Plus, and then I'm just going to start laying it down. I'm going to leave like a little area though, like at the top. Like, I don't want to go all the way up to the top. I'm going to leave like a little. I'm thinking about putting some little jewels in there. You know, I couldn't make it too simple. Next, I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. And I'm using it to line this side. I don't know if I'm going to line the other side or not. Like this side of the cut crease. And then I have these little nail jewels, and there's some little gold stars in here, so I think I'm gonna add a few of those. I don't know how many yet. Yes, I really like that, so I've put on 5. Oh my god, I did a neutral look that I'm actually in love with. What is going on in the world? So for the bottom, I'm gonna go in with the same 2 colors that I went on the top. So Credit is going up against my lash line, and then I'll blend it out with Ginger. Ginger is also the name of this wig that I will be wearing a lot during the fall season, maybe even winter. It's one of my favorites because all of my cousins on my real dad's side of my family has this shade of hair, and I miss that gene and I'm sad about it. And then I think I want to keep my waterline nude, so I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Scandalize Eye Pencil in Nude. Okay, and so next I'm going to go in with lashes, and I got sent these lashes by this brand called XOXO Artistry by Haley Marie, and they're super cute, so I want to use them, but I'm like looking everywhere on the box because they sent me 3 pairs, and they're 3 different styles, but they don't have the style names on the box. So I will try to find the style name and include it in the description box. The lash band is really thin, and I really am enjoying that. Like, it feels like very weightless, and to be honest, that went on really easy for being a new lash that hasn't been used before or conformed to my eyelid. I'm just gonna be honest, I get hit up a lot by lash brands because there are a ton of indie lash brands out there, but I usually don't accept them because I'll like look at their website and stuff, and honestly I don't think it's like something that would suit me or something I would like, so I usually turn them down for that reason. I don't want to waste my time, I don't want to waste their time, I don't want to waste their products when it could go to somebody that could use it more or better or whatever, or use it period. But when this brand sent me an email wanting to send me these, I looked at their website, I looked at their lashes, I looked at their Instagram, and I really enjoyed the pictures, the products, like everything, so that's why I was more willing to try these. And I'm really, like, so far I'm really glad that I accepted these. Like, I can't believe how easily these are going on, and they're brand new lashes, and I can't believe how light they are, like weight wise. Okay, so for highlighter I'm going in with the Lunar Beauty Mercury Moon Prism Powder. So pretty, and it just like goes on so easily, and I just felt like the gold undertone would go really well with this look. Okay, so for lips I'm doing Toffee Gloss. This is by ABH. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in my next one.